Every process analyzer needs a grab sample, which is a standard practice that's done in plants to validate the process analyzer's performance. This is a standard product offering that Swagelok helps develop for customers to use all over the globe. So there's not too many different ways that you can catch a sample. A sample is either a volatile liquid, a non-volatile liquid, or a gas. So what the operator does is they take a glass bottle, they stick it up in here, this holds it, and this is the sample dispensing valve, and it has a spring return handle. So if anything were to happen to them, or if they need to let it go quickly, when they let it go, it closes. So in this particular configuration, the process fluid being sampled needed to be heated up. So behind this panel is all the plumbing that makes it work. And then there's two lines that will route steam behind there as well. And the enclosure is insulated. So that's kind of a good example of the modularity that we offer to a standard product offering. Oftentimes, a takeoff point for a sample conditioning system like this is a control valve where you know you have a fixed differential pressure drop. And that differential pressure is what provides the sample to be able to flow into and out of this panel. To get a representative sample, it's usually a good idea to have the sample consistently flowing from process outlet back to process inlet. So then you have a timely sample all the time. So if you want to take your sample at 9 a.m. and compare it to the online analyzer at 9 a.m., you go out and you catch a sample at 9 and you just have to turn a valve to the sample position instead of wait for the amount of piping that's taken from the process to be purged with the process fluid itself. So it's very fast and representative of what's going on in your system. In developing these standard product offerings, Swagelok made configurable CAD files, CAD being computer-aided draft and design. So we can punch in a part number for this standard configuration and a 3D model gets output, which would normally take another company making custom sample conditioning systems like this at least a few weeks to do. So we can start with the standard product offering and then modulate it from there to come up with what the customer needs in particular for their application, because no two applications are alike.